Okay. We'll be treating support and resistance. Um, Something just came to my mind when I was thinking about making this video. Support, resistance. Um, I'll be concentrating on, as in a bearish market, borrowing some concepts from stock trading, trading the stocks. We know that if something is falling down, you hear people say, please support me. Please support me. If something is going up, they'll say, please don't resist my vibe. Don't resist my flow. So when you think of support and resistance, look at it in this concept. Something is falling down, you talk about the support. Another term you hear technically is what? The base. Okay? The base. If something is appreciating or going up or rallying, you say, hey, don't resist it. Don't really resist it. Just like if somebody is performing well, they say, why are you resisting him? He wants to go up. Why are you resisting him? Instead of resisting him, which is what? Up, why don't you support him? Meaning, wherever he is, let there be the base for him to do what? Appreciate. So when you think of support and resistance, think of it in terms of what? Support being meaning the base, where aid comes. Resistance meaning where something is impeding or stopping or resisting, like the term, or keeping you away from achieving what you want to achieve. Like in the stock market, everything is expected to appreciate. You talk of the Dow Jones, you talk of the Nasdaq, you talk of the US Tech, all of these are expected to do what? Appreciate. So in the appreciation or rallying stage, we say, hey, it has hit a resistance. But when it's coming down, we say, oh, we need something to support it so that it does not fall below a what? An institutional level. But we're not going to treat institutional levels today. We just want to focus on support and resistance, then specifically in a bearish market. Okay? Okay. Since you're with me, let's go ahead to the next stage. Now for a bearish market, look at this pictorial diagram. Down, up, down. This is referred to as what? The support. S. This is referred to as the resistance. Okay? Now, this particular area, at this particular time, will be referred to as what? The supply zone. Don't worry, I'll make a specific video for this. I just felt like chipping it in. Referred to as the supply zone. So this is the zone or area price is expected to react from when it is what? Retracing upwards. Price is expected to react from this particular zone. Okay, so let's go back. So this is our what? This will be referred to as the lower high and lower low. Lower high, and wherever low is gotten will be referred to as what? The lower low. All lower lows are referred to as support. Meanwhile, all lower highs are termed what? Resistance. This is lower high, will be termed what? Resistance. So, keeping this on the back of your mind, this is support, this is support, this is resistance, this is resistance. Now, like I said, let me use this and 20. all lower lows are equivalent to support. All lower highs are equivalent to resistance. Okay? Keep this on the back of your mind. Now let's go to the image properly. What did I say? I'm concentrating in a bearish market. Okay? Now for a bearish market, this particular area, this is the support, this is the resistance. In a bullish market, this rule stands for bearish market. Don't forget, we are looking at bearish market. In a bullish market, we don't use lower low and lower high. It goes the opposite. So this support, this is resistance. Okay? Now, you see what happened here? This will now be referred to as the SO and arrow O. What this means is that this is our rollover support, this is our rollover resistance. So this is the area where price bearishly took out the last support guys. Then this zone, like I mentioned earlier, is referred to as what? The supply zone or area. Now what's happened here? See how price came to that zone and did what? Dropped further, made a new support, and the previous, this will now be arrow 1, which is a new support. This will be S1. Arrow 1, which is a new resistance, S1, which is a new support. It made a new low, came up into demand zone 2, DZ 2, okay, or let's say DZ1. This original DZ will be DZ0 because it's the rollover demand zone. And next time it dropped even hard. Why do we have this large breakout candle? It's because of this level here. If price must break out of a strong level, it must break out with what? A strong candle. This is it. We're going to explain this subsequent, but I just want to throw more light on that, just to chip it in. So that is how it goes. This is the support, this is the resistance. This will now be, this is support 2, resistance 2, support 3, resistance 3. It's the same concept like that as you keep making lower highs and lower lows. Okay, just like that until, let's get to this point. Look at what happened here. This is support, let's say support final F, resistance final F. We are doing this in hindsight, that's why I call it final. If not, you will not naturally know if this is the last support or resistance. But until price breaks this resistance, you are what? In the bearish market. So this is just the simple concept of support and resistance. Okay, understanding the support and resistance concept would help you in understanding the direction of the market, whether to buy or to sell. Okay, where to place your stop loss, where to anticipate an area of what? Reaction or price rejection. So I'm going to stop here for now. Don't forget, this is brought to you by Pips Collector. No one else. Bye for now. Feel free to ask questions in the comment section, and give a like and subscribe and hit the notification button for more. Cheers.